Hello, good day. So today I'll be showing us how to install this mixer set. This is a quality mixer, a very good MAT mixer shower set. These are the accessories. There is the shower rose. This is for soap dish, and also there is provision where the hand shower will be hanged on it. These are the shower pole. Why we have the connector, the flex connector. These are the mixer itself. So we start by hanging this. This is the mixer leg. So after we've done this, we will do this. We fix this. We fix this. It is very necessary to cover up this. Okay. Okay. So we screw this in like this. So once we have this done, this is the seal. Sometimes they call it gasket, but it's like a seal. It's a seal. So we'll get our mixer, this, then we'll place our seal right here. We'll put these seals right here and here. So when that is done, we screw it. So you can see after doing that, we install this. So we have this right here. Okay, it's getting more beautiful, right? Okay, so let's continue. Well, while you are also doing that, you should also get other components ready. So I'll be going on a short break. When I come back, I'll tell you what I've done to get other stuff ready. Okay, we are right back again. So let's be here. So as you can see, we have these two like this. We join them this way. So we'll join this. You can see it. This is ready right now. So we'll be going to the next step. So we've also introduced this. This is the next thing you're gonna do. Okay? Why? Before you fix this. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is this here. This is gonna be fitting into this. So this is just like a kind of clip to make it firm to the wall, so it won't be dangling or shaking. So you're gonna install this on the wall. After you've placed it to know the right position where it's gonna fall. Okay, so let's continue. We're gradually getting what we're looking for. So we introduce the shower rose to the shower pole. This is going to be the hanger for the hand shower. Okay, so this is ready. So we're going straight to fix the pole. But before we do that, this is our 3/4 gasket, which is 25 mm gasket. We should be placing right on this place, something like this. Okay, we're going to be doing that. So we're going to be fixing this shower pole right on top of this place right now. So stay tuned. Wow, it's beautiful, right? So we're almost done. Almost done. So we have to fix this, then the soap dish right now. So Just stay for let's do that right away. Okay, so we're almost done. We have this right here. Okay. Okay.